Hey guys, welcome back. I have a very exciting package that just arrived. I didn't really do an explanation as to why I was ordering this, I don't believe, in my last video, so I just wanted to quickly explain. I ordered this because I wanted to try out rings, but I am so in love with my Hobonichi Weeks that I'm gonna still use that as my everyday carry. But I figured that I had room in my planning system to try something as like a home binder, basically. And basically what I'm gonna try to do with that is I'll show you. It's a personal wide rings, and I'm totally gonna film a setup on it and everything like that. But I wanted to get one of these to use for basically journaling, notes, home, and basically everything extra that I didn't want to jot down in my everyday carry. And the reason I wanted to kind of put journaling into this is I have like a memory keeper, which is my A5 Chic Sparrow, and I use that to like memory keep and to journal about things that I obviously want to remember. But there are sometimes that it just helps me to have like a stream of consciousness, or like a basically working out difficult things that I'm going through or maybe thinking about, and just having it on paper. And for some reason I was always held back as to doing that in a bound notebook. And I just feel really good about having that on loose leaf, or having that in something I could maybe just throw away. And I think that I'm going to be a lot more open to writing and to just kind of writing what's on my mind. And if I want to throw it away, I throw it away. And I don't feel that it's as permanent maybe as a bound journal. And that's totally something in my mind, and I know that a lot of people do that really well, and they'll they write absolutely everything in a journal, and I hope maybe I'll get to that point. But for now, I think having it in a section in a binder like this, I'll be able to feel free to throw it out or to keep it if I want to. So without more talking, I'll go right ahead and get into the unboxing. So I ordered this on the 9th, and today is March 1st. So it took just under a month, which I think is pretty good. Okay, so I've never actually ordered anything besides a dashboard from Foxy Fix. So that's a really pretty sample, Sugar Lilac. I was actually gonna go with the sugar leather, the taupe one, I don't know what it's called, sugar cookie, I think. But I had a poll on Facebook and everyone said to go with this. So I don't know how to do this without making a huge mess. Oh my goodness. All right. Okay, so these are inserts that I ordered. I'll go through that in a minute. And this is, let me hide this. There we go. That's just my invoice. Here it is. Okay. Comes in a really nice dust bag. I see some pink. Okay, sorry. I had to pause it because my husband looked over the banisters, totally making fun of me. Okay, so if I take it out, and it is a spice Himalayan salt, and it is personal wide rings, if you can see it. I think it's showing up very true to color on the camera. I got light pink elastic and light pink stitching, and a rose gold fox and pip bow on the spine, and I think it's beautiful. I love it. And I'm very excited to stuff all of my inserts that I've been preparing to put it in. Has the nice big back pocket. You can change the elastic super easily from there. And it's really soft and pliable. And I like all these little freckles on it. So that's it. That's my, that's what I ordered. That's my personal wide rings. Let me go through the inserts that I ordered. I just ordered basically paper because I ordered this, and then I ordered a whole bunch of other inserts for it, and I wound up printing my own. So this is the white blank inserts. I ordered dot grid. This is grid. These are actually really big grids compared to the Hobonichi Weeks. I don't know how many millimeter, but it's good for scratch paper anyway. Lined paper, I figured for lists. And I ordered these milk dashboards. I don't know if I'll use them, dividers. Let me open them to see what they're like. I ordered actually a few dividers from Martha Plans, and they came in and they're beautiful. These are just kind of cardstock. So if I need extra, I have, but they're like in pastel colors. And then I also ordered some pockets, and I think that's a page lifter that comes with it. So this is an adhesive secretarial pockets. Yeah, I don't think they're connected. They shouldn't be. So adhesive secretarial pockets. And I ordered 3 top-loading dashboards because I thought I'd store stickers. Oh, that's a side-loading. Just kidding. 3 side-loading dividers. So I thought I would store stickers in them, but I really have no idea. I just wanted options. And this is my whole massive stack of things that I've been preparing to put into this. So I'm gonna go ahead and set that up, and I will do a flip through or setup video relatively soon. I just kind of want to get used to using it and have it set up how I want, and then of course I will do a flip through of that. So if you have any questions, feel free to comment down below. Otherwise, thanks so much for watching. Take care. Bye.